Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my very first video on this channel. And I'm starting a new playlist, and this playlist is going to be all about upskilling myself over the next 6 months. I'll be documenting my daily progress, everything I learn, build, and experience along the way. The idea is to stay consistent, focus, and push myself every single day. So, I have divided this 6 month journey into three focus plans. So, the first phase is the foundation phase, which is month 1 and 2. So, this phase will focus on strengthening my DSA and revising the basics of cloud and DevOps. And I'll also be building a complete project using the MERN stack and also integrating some basic AI features and managing my ongoing internship alongside. So the second phase is development and depth, which is the month 3rd and 4th. Here I'll dive into advanced DSA and aim to solve around 3 problems a day. And I'll also level up in DevOps and work on full-fledged project using MERN stack and integrate DevOps into it. And I will continue with whatever internship I secure. Then the third phase is mastery and industrial preparation, which is the month 5th and 6th. So in this final phase, I'll polish my skills further with more advanced DSA problems, and I'll solve around 2 problems a day. That's enough. And then I'll contribute to open source and actively grow my network. And I'll also work on earning certifications in cloud, DevOps, or backend, whichever aligns best. And I'll also upgrade my previous projects to industry standards and continue my internship work. So yeah, this was the plan, and now we move on to what I have done on day 1. So the next few days or maybe a couple of weeks will be more of a warm-up phase where I'll be revising the basics. I had taken a short break from DSA due to my internship, development work, and college exams. So this will be helping me get back into the groove. So the first question is sort array by parity. So it's a easy level question. So this is the brute force approach, and what it does is we are creating an answer vector and we are storing the elements of the nums vector using the parity. So this is not optimized because it's using some space and the space complexity of O of n, which we do not want. We want O of 1 space complexity. So we get an optimized version which is using the 2 pointers. We are initializing j with 1 and I with 0, and we are iterating I. So if the parity of I is not correct according to the index, then we will swap I and j. So this is a pretty basic code. Then we have the middle of the linked list. As you can see, it is not an optimized code, it's brute force. So we are getting the count of the linked list, we are getting the size of the linked list, and then we are iterating the temp till we reach a point of count by 2. So it gives us the middle, but it's not optimized as we are using a sum space. So we have this approach over here. It's called slow and fast pointers. We have initialized slow and fast, and while the fast is not equals to null or the next of fast is not equals to null, we iterate this both, and slow is iterated to the next and fast is iterated to the next of fast, and we return the slow. As you can see over here, when the fast is over here on the 5, the slow is on 3, so it gives us the middle of the linked list. Then we have this one, rotate array, which is a medium level question. I don't think it's medium level because it's pretty easy. So what we do here is we reverse it 3 times. So what we have to do is we have to rotate the array to the right using k steps, right? So k here is 3. So what we do is, first of all, we get the mod of k to avoid any issues and edge cases. So what we do is, first we reverse from the begin to the end. So we get the complete reverse array. Then we reverse from begin to begin plus k to reverse the first part, and then we reverse from begin plus k to begin plus end, to the end to get the second part on the correct place. And then we have this sort colors problem, which is also medium level problem, and it's widely known as the Dutch flag problem. We are using 3 pointers, or we can do it the other way. So what we're doing here is we are initializing s with 0, m with 0, and e as the last element. S will stay in place, e will stay in place, and m will iterate the whole array. So while m is less than e, what we'll do is we'll use switch on nums of m. So if the element on the mth index is 0, then we'll swap the start and mid, and we'll increment start and mid, and then we'll break the case. If m is 1, then we don't have to do anything because it's on the correct place. We'll increment the m and break. And if m is 2, then we have to swap it with the end because end is assigned to 2, and then we will decrement end because we don't want m to go to the last element, that is 2, and then again swap it and cause a mess. So then we will break the case and it will solve the question. So for the development part, what I did was I revised a few computer networking concepts, and as well as done some internship work and did the revision of some basic algorithms. So thank you. Stay tuned for day 2.